So जब to twist my neck and hello guys, neck down and when you're Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are watching this face for first time, then hi, I am Shruti and here I make fashion, DIY and beauty related videos. So if this is something you like, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it. So every time I upload a video, you can catch on. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, I am super active there, so that you will not miss my daily life updates. So for today's video, I am going to share with you how I edit my reels. In general, I will share with you how to edit reels. Reels is a super trending now and everyone want to make a reel. But everyone have a problem with editing, especially with the transition videos. So in today's video, I will share with you how you can edit a transition video in your phone using just one app. But you know I like to do everything with a twist. So twist in today's video is I edited this reel in my software on a computer. But I will show you how you can edit the same reel on your phone. And if you want to edit your reels like a pro or any video like a pro, then keep on watching. So guys, first thing is song. Take a song that have a beat. Like जब beats change होते हैं तब आप आपके transitions change कर सकते हो. And choosing song is not a hard task. Like whenever you are just scrolling through Instagram, save a songs that you would like to make a reels on them in the future. Third thing is how to do a transitions. Like आप कोई भी move ले सकते. Personally, I like to twist my neck like this, cross my hands, or just put my hand on the camera. You can be as creative as you want. Fourth and major part is editing. I will suggest you to take every shot 2 times when you are filming a video, because हमको पता नहीं होता है कि while editing how transition gonna align with each other. So now let's go and start with our editing part. Firstly, you have to go to the Play Store and download the app called VN. I will share the link of app in the description box below. Download from there. I know we all deal with the watermark problem, but this app has no watermark. As you can see, I have already installed it. So let's start with the editing. As you can see, I have edited bunch of videos here. Now you have to click on the plus icon here, new project. I have finalized some clips and now I am selecting them. So to select the music, tap on to that music icon. You can just simply go to YouTube, search the song you want and just download in a MP3 format. We all know how to download YouTube song. So मैंने already download करके रखा है. So our song and clips are ready. Now arrange clips in a order. I think मेरे order में ही है.
Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way.
Okay, so as you can see यहाँ पे blank clip आ गई है. So now, so what you have to do, as you can click on a split, इसके दो part हो जाते हैं. Now select that part and delete it. Okay, so now let's see, is it okay? Yes. So ये VN के through ही last में एक blank clip आ जाती है. So make sure you are deleting that too. So now we have to make sure that our moves and our song are in a sync. So let's play the clip again.
Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll
एंड इफ़ यू हैव फिल्म द एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट, आपको जो पार्ट चाहिए वहाँ पे जाके आपको सिर्फ स्प्लिट करना है और बाकी के जो पार्ट्स है जो अनवांटेड है वो आपको डिलीट करने हैं एज आई शोन. लेट्स ऐड सम इफेक्ट्स. सो क्लिक ऑन इफेक्ट्स हियर. सो एज यू कैन सी देयर आर bunch of effects to use and they are all free. This is how it looks. I don't want something that gaudy, so let's see how it looks.
call me when you want.
Okay, it's pretty good. आप यहाँ पे फिल्टर की जो ड्यूरेशन है वो भी कम कर सकते हो. एज यू कैन सी ये पूरे मेरे क्लिप पे आ गई है. आई डोंट वांट कि मेरा पूरा क्लिप इफेक्ट में चला जाए, सो आई एम जस्ट रिड्यूसिंग द ड्यूरेशन. आई हैव अप्लाइड फिल्टर्स टू माय बिफोर क्लिप. लेट्स सी हाउ इट लुक्स.
Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way.
Okay, so now it's time to apply filters on our after clip. So one by one just applying filters on clips. So I have edited that reel in PC. So वहाँ के effects अलग है, यहाँ के effects अलग है. You can't expect same effects. But what's the game is you can edit the reel in your phone using just one app without paying for it, and there are bunch of filters, bunch of tools to try out, and mainly it has no watermark. I will show you in the next. Let's see, is it everything on a point?
Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning.
So everything is okay for me. So we know when we upload our reels on Instagram, there is option to update a cover, but you can simply add your cover from here too. Click on a cover. You can select any image from a video frame, or simply you can add it from your gallery. I'm not selecting for now. Now our reel is ready to export. Click on the export button. So our reel is exporting. If you want in a detail how you can use a VN app, tell me in the comment section below. I will make a video on it. Click on save and publish.
Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be.
So I think that's it for today. If you like the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who want to make reels but they are not comfortable with editing. And if you have any query related to reels editing, tell me in the comment section below. I will try to solve that. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe, stay sanitized, and get vaccinated as early as possible.